So I was wandering down the lane here, saw these amazing pods and thought, I'll bring you guys in and we'll come and have a closer look because I know how much you guys talk about buildings all the time in our group. So I'm here with Anna at PodLife.
Yeah, hi.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
So tell us a little bit about these pods.
Okay, so well, we're super proud of them. Firstly, we've been going for about 6 years now.
Yeah.
And our buildings, we have a whole team of experts. We put so much thought into the design and the layout. They're all prefabricated, so we have a work on a production line in Whakatane.
Oh, yeah.
And modular. So we have set footprints, but within the footprint, you can move around kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, whatever you want to make it suit your needs. So it's really cool.
Oh, amazing. And then you just put it on a truck and take it to site?
Pop it on a truck and take it to site, yep. And we take care of all the logistics as well for our clients. Screw pile foundations, they're super compatible with screw piles, and we work really closely with Stop Digging.
Yep,
we can manage that all over New Zealand. They're awesome, aren't they?
Yep.
And if our clients want to get a building consent, we actually have an in-house drafting team, so we can manage that on their behalf as well.
Oh, fantastic. So for some of our customers, it'd be great.
Yeah.
And what about if we sold a solar kit to them? Would you be able to install the solar kit first before it got shipped out?
So solar is best to be installed on site.
Great.
Yeah, just for the logistics. These are 3.1, so we're right at the legal limit for transportation.
Yeah.
So solar, completely compatible with solar and all off-grid options.
Yep.
But best to be fitted on site. Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
I'd be keen to check one out.
Yeah,
Can we have a look?
cool. Yeah, absolutely.
Gosh, it's quite flash inside, eh?
Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, and it's wonderful being at like a show like the Field Days because I love seeing people's reaction when they come into the building.
Yeah.
And a lot of people have looked at us online and maybe not had an opportunity to see us. So again, when they actually get into them, they're like, oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah. And I know
really
is it double glazed or triple glazed?
So it's double glazed, and the glazing actually meets though the new insulation standards that were introduced in November 2022.
Yeah.
All of our pods as well of these tiny home buildings, they meet the new insulation standards that are getting rolled out in 2023. So we're really proud of being ahead of the game on that one.
Yeah, fantastic. So it comes with the flooring done. And,
flooring. So it's beautiful flooring, isn't it? And we actually have colour options as well. So we've got a few different colour packages. You can mix and match your flooring and your beach tops and things like that. Yeah, just to personalise it. It's pretty cool.
And so for this one here, how much for this unit?
So this pod is $159,990 inclusive of GST. Yeah.
Gosh, it's flash for that.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, the quality's that's one thing that people comment on a lot. Is the quality's amazing, the finishing's amazing, and we're really proud to be able to offer such a great quality building at that price point as well.
Yeah, fantastic for a little batch or something like that. Like
amazing.
The luxurious living.
And the kind of range of uses for these buildings is just amazing. Like perfect for a batch, starter home, kids still at home, people wanting to downsize. Commercial uses. It's kind of endless, and it's always surprising to see what people come up with.
Yeah, fantastic. Okay, so if you're looking for more information about PodLife and these pods, I'll put some information at the bottom of this video, and you can reach out to Anna. Thank you very much, Anna. Appreciate your time. Thank you.